Hey, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to dance. Like, first of all, you gotta go with the beat. Like, if it's boom, 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 then you gotta hit the beat, you know what I'm saying? Like, even if it's boom, 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 like, you always gotta hit the beat. That's what matters in dancing. People, I think it's just a bunch of moves, but the people that are actually good, even if they don't know how to do a backflip, or even if they can't do a head spin, like, it's the people that know how to hit the beat. Like, or the lyrics like, yo, what's up? Like something like that. Yo, what's up? Like, you gotta do something that goes with the words and something that goes with the beat. You know what I mean? Like, if you do that, you'll be a good dancer. Like, let me go. Like, sometimes if you're a dancer, sometimes you can also do words that, you could do dances. Sorry about my mistake there. Dances that relate to the lyrics. Like, if it's spin around, you can spin around or something. Or if it's the Glock, you do the Glock thing. Or if it's gang, you do gang gang. Like, things like that. Like, you just gotta put some creativity in your dance moves. You know what I mean? Like, you really gotta put creativity to become a good dancer. And it's not all about... Because a lot of people are good self-taught dancers, too. It's not all about what connections you have and all. Like, you could be on your own. You could be a good dancer like this. Let me show you. Like that. Like, see, you just gotta think of things. Like, you just gotta be creative, you know what I mean? Like, with your moves. And if you're in dance class, use those moves and, like, turn them in your own thing. Like, and go with the beat. It's about going with the beat and dancing. Like, more than anything, it's about the beat. Whether your dance moves are funny, whether they're, basically extremely talented, like a gymnastic thing, like a backflip or something, if it goes with the beat, then it's especially good. Like, that's the culture, you know what I mean? Going with the beat of things, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta go with the beat. Like, now watch me whip, now watch me nay. See, they do it with the beat and the words, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta do it with the words and the beat, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's basically, like, how you gotta dance good. Like, that's how I do it. I don't just, like, say, if the backflip don't go with the beat, then wait until it goes with the beat. You know how to do a backflip to the beat, and then do it. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's about the beat. Like, when they say, Goma de Rita, like, I don't know exactly what it says in Harlem Shake, so don't take offense. I think it says something like that, and then it goes, da, 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 and do the Harlem Shake, and then go, dun, 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 dun. See, basically, what I'm saying, sorry if I don't get the lyrics correct, but you get my point. Like, you gotta, like, I'm really sorry if I got the lyrics wrong when singing that, but the point is you gotta go with the beat of things, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just showing you as a brief introduction. I'm not, like, doing it to sing the whole song or cover anything. I'm just giving you an example of what you need to know how to dance. Like, because you just go with the beat. You just feel out the beat, and you gotta think of creative things like this. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta feel the music. You know what I'm saying? You gotta feel the music and you gotta know the music. Those are the key two things in dance. You gotta feel the music and you gotta know the music. Like, you gotta feel like you're like in the music. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, some people say you need drugs too. You really don't. You just gotta put your mind and your dedication to it. You know what I mean? Like, some people, like, take Molly's and all that. Don't do that. It's just gonna damage your body. So don't do that. Don't take drugs to learn to dance, or like at raves people doing stuff. But don't do that. I'm not encouraging that, because it'll just make you in the hospital eventually. Because if you take enough drugs, it'll do that to you in a bad way. Like, it'll affect your health. So don't do that. But yeah, that's what I want to say. That's how you dance. So please give a thumbs up. Please comment down below what you thought. Share the video, spread the word, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Teach someone how to dance with my tutorial today. Thank you for watching.